Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi. Today we have to presenting about DJJ 20042 about machining workshop practice 2 about machine. So, my lecture name is Madam Samsiah Binti Sha'aban and Madam Saifa Masfuza Binti Salan. So, this table is about my group team members. First of all, my name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Muhammad Kamil, and my number matrix is 23DKM20F1121 from class DKM 3B. So next slide. Next slide about practical task project worksheet season 1 for this season sem 3. So this practical task. So safety precaution in the machine workshop. So first, your safety is your responsibility. Always follow the correct procedures. Take responsibility and clean up if you made a miss. Ensure a clean and easy route to emergency exits and equipment. Be attentive at all times to your work surrounding. Never take risks when it comes to safety, and obey safety sign, sticker, and text. And lastly is keep things in perspective. Hazard may be limitless, so focus on the most likely risk first. So the next slide about lathe machine practical work procedures. So first, the tooth bit is placed in the desired and precise position. So next, the facing process is implemented to get the material length reduced to 60 mm. So let's go to the videos.
Basic operation. In this video, we will discuss the basic operation in the lathe. Facing is an operation which produces flat surfaces. Facing tool, workpiece, chuck. In this operation, the tool is fed at right angles to the axis of the workpiece. It reduces the length of the workpiece. Various types of lathe operation will discuss in the next video.
Okay, so this is about facing process. So next, the turning operation is carried out to obtain a diameter of 30 mm. So the turning operation, the turning process. So jom let's the video.
Turning operation. In this video, we will discuss the turning operation of the lathe. Turning is the machining operation in which excess material is removed by rotating the workpiece against a cutting tool. Workpiece, tool, feed, that is F, depth of cut.
Okay, so this is about turning operation. So after that, the correct drill bit is selected. The drill bit chosen are center drill and 23 mm drill bit. The drill chuck are used to place the drill bit. And lastly about the drill is start the drilling process and make sure the depth is 50 mm. So let's go to the videos about drilling.
Drilling. In this video, we will discuss the drilling operation of the lathe. It is a process of making holes on workpiece. The drill fed slowly into the workpiece, which is revolving in a chuck. Chuck. Workpiece. Drill tool. The drill is held stationary in the tailstock spindle.
So next I will give to the Fadzly to about work procedure.
Facing operation.
Okay, thank you, Khir. So my name is Muhammad Fadzly bin Yusof. I am from class DKM 3B. My matrix number is 23 DKM 20 F1169. So I will continue the process of machining. Start the boring process and make sure the hole is enlarged to 25 mm and a dip of 5 mm. To find the center point at end point A, measure the workpiece, which is 20 mm from the edge of the workpiece. The depth of point D is 5 mm and the width of point D is 5 mm. Place the workpiece on 4-jaw chuck. Align the tailstock at the marked point. Before proceed of the grooving operation, fix the tool bit at the correct place. Finally, after the grooving operation is finished, the project is complete. So we will continue to watching the boring operation and grooving operation video. Hi, please play.
Boring operation. In this video, we will discuss the boring operation on the lathe. Boring is the operation of enlarging the previously drilled hole with the aid of single point cutting tool called boring tool. Workpiece. Boring tool. If the hole is enlarged only through a certain length, then it is referred as counter boring. If the tool is feed at an angle to the axis of rotation, it is called internal taper turning. Enlarged hole. Grooving. In this video, we are going to see about grooving operation. Grooving is also known as recessing, undercutting, or necking. Consider a workpiece held in lathe. The grooving tool is fed crosswise against the rotating workpiece. A groove is the location of an indentation in the part. This indentation can be square, round, or angular in the shape. The function of a groove is usually to allow room for a fitting part such as a rubber O-ring. It could also be the place where another part fits into this part. Grooves also provide a relief in the backside of a thread where the thread terminates.
So I will continue for discussion. Among the discussion found in the practical task of the machine workshop is the student can find out how to make practical tasks more clearly and can be practiced in the future. Students can also discipline themselves by following all the rules in workshop. So next slide please. That's all from us. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi